Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the jump strategy for division. It's a useful strategy for kids who find it difficult to do the longer steps involved in long division. And it's a good strategy for kids who've got some basic multiplication knowledge, which students from 3s to 6 typically have at least the basics of multiplication up their sleeve. So I'll show you how it works. So let's say we were trying to figure out maybe a slightly difficult problem in 37 divided by 6. Now, just looking at that might be intimidating to some students. So what the strategy does, it breaks it down into smaller parts. So rather than just thinking about the division side, we flip to multiplication and think how many 6s go into 37. So our end product, we want to get to 37. So we've just got to work our way down the line to figure out how many 6s does it require to get there, and then see how many remainders we might have. So the first thing the student might do is think, well, what do I know from the 6 times tables already? Well, hopefully most of them might know that 2 times 6 equals 36. So that could be their first jump. So 2 times 6 gets us to 12. So that's their first jump. And then the next jump, well, we can do it again because we've still got a way to go. Let's do another 2 times 6. That's 12 again. If we add them together, that gets us to 24. So if we have a look, we're getting closer, but we could probably do at least another jump or 2 to get there. So I look at it again, I think about it, I could probably do another 2 times 6. Let's see what happens. So I do 2 times 6, this time I do another 12. If I add it on, 20, 30, it gets me to 36. Now if I have a look, if I were to do another jump, I'd go over my 36. I've gone too far. If I look at it, there's nothing I can do in terms of the 6 times tables to get any closer. So I'm going to go back now and have a look. So I've used 2, 4, 6. So I've used 6 6s to get into it. So I know that 6 6s fit into it. And if I look, I've gone from 36, but I really wanted to get to 37, and there was 1 left over. So my answer therefore is 6 remainder 1.